at Lake Louise. Just paid for parking. Got a little bit of an early start, but not too early. Today we're gonna be hiking the Big Beehive, Lake Agnes, and plain of Six Glaciers. And we're gonna see some tea houses so we can get some coffee in the mountains.
How fun is that?
It's gonna be an awesome day. We're probably going to get past 99% of the crowds within the first 10 minutes, which will be sweet. There are crazy inversions this morning, so I really hope we can get above them and get some unbelievable shots. We will see. How are we feeling?
Feeling good. Feeling really tired this morning, but I'm pretty stoked for today. It's gonna be looking dope day.
Oh, I'm jealous that I don't have a buff with me. We're going as fast as we can to try to make it to the top while there's still inversions. And flat Lake Louise, you turn to the trees and you're going straight up. So I'm so out of breath. Lake, and right above Mirror Lake is the Big Beehive, which is where we're going. So hopefully we can make it up there while the inversions are still over Lake Louise. This lake is sick, so sick, but I think to make it we gotta just kind of keep going because it might be even better up there. Hustling, sweating, now we're in winter. Tea house behind us. Here is Lake Agnes and it is fucking crazy.
Cloud inversion behind you.
That's where we're going. Cloud inversion behind.
Let's fucking go, baby.
Alright, I'm booking it across Lake Agnes right now. Bree and Hayden are ahead of me because I couldn't not take a time lapse of the inversion clouds and of Lake Agnes with what looks like the Shark's Tooth of Colorado behind it and the fall colors and snow. It's so crazy. Hopefully there's still inversion clouds at Lake Louise when we get up there. We're not far, just oops, to that saddle, to there. Fucking kidding me? Look at this. Oh my god, we just sprinted up here. And this is the craziest thing I've ever seen in Banff. And the Fairmont Chateau's down there. Lake Louise, the craziest inversions ever. Look at this shit.
Fucking speechless, dude.
Oh my god. Think of this lake. You have your you got your lens cap on.
Oh, I don't own any. This is Kevin.
Found a little shelter behind me. I think that's probably the overlook to Mirror Lake. Lake Louise is unbelievable. We summited the Beehive, if it's a mountain to summit, I'm not really sure. Came down a little bit and now we're right over Mirror Lake, which is the first lake we went to, right here. And the Fairmont Chateau is probably right here, Lake Louise. Probably gonna hang out here for a bit. Hopefully the clouds clear and I can get some cool photos of Mirror Lake and of Lake Louise together. That'd be nuts. there is Mount St. Piran, Agnes, or Lake Agnes. I think the only way to get Mirror Lake and Lake Agnes in the same photo is if you summit Mount St. Piran. We're not doing that today, but Lake Agnes is beautiful. Lake Louise and Mirror Lake are coolest conditions I've ever seen. One cool thing about this trip is that we came because Canada opened its borders and we just wanted to come to Canada. We love it up here, but we've never been here in September and we didn't know that it's fall colors of the larches and snow and inversion. So it's like the craziest, most bucket list conditions like ever. It's so amazing. Think of the hike.
Incredible. So beautiful day.
We're in Nepal, huh?
Amato in Nepal.
Nepal A. Left to the plain of Six Glaciers. It's unbelievable. The Teahouses is really cool. It's kind of crazy that it's all the way up here. Got cool views of Lake Louise in the background. And aside from all the trees and larches, it kind of feels like we're in the Himalayas of like Nepal. It's really awesome out here. To Six Glaciers. Bree and Hayden are coming up right now. It's crazy the difference in seasons on this hike. We've had summer, fall, and winter. This is unbelievable. I didn't even know this existed until a few days ago. So we are heading down. I think we've got 4.5 miles straight to the car. Thankfully at this point it's all downhill, no more up and downs. And then right now we're actually currently talking about what we're gonna smash, whether it be poutine, pizza, or breakfast sandwiches at 5 p.m. So to be determined. Everything we just did was human powered.
It is. I'm beat to 12.1 miles. I'm so tired. It's beautiful. There was like no people on our trail, which is awesome because
look at this.
Just a lot. Like, I understand why people come here, but it's really cool to get off the beaten path and see this world-renowned lake from a different perspective.
Beehive. So we were right there and way back there and up there and all of this. That is it for today. My Strava says 13.7 miles and 3,700 feet of gain. It's a massive day. Time to go smash some food and relax at the hotel because we're doing it all again tomorrow. So I'll see you later.